5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Monday Marvels. This is week number 16, Marvel number 16. Good morning. God bless you. I got a couple scriptures I want to read you. It comes from Psalm 69. Get your Bibles ready. Psalm 69, verses 1 and 2. David writes these words: Save me, O God, for the flood waters are up to my neck. Deeper and deeper I sink into the mire. I can't find a foothold. I'm in deep water and the floods overwhelm me. I want to give a word of encouragement today to anybody that just feels like you're in over your head, like you're drowning in despair. The struggles, problems of life are just consuming you. I read these scriptures a couple weeks, and the Lord gave me this phrase as I read it. He said, Travis, when you can't find a foothold, look for a hand to hold. And that's what I want to share with you today on this Monday Marvel. If you're struggling with getting your feet underneath you and you just can't get traction and you just keep slipping, look for a hand to hold. When you can't find a foothold, look for a hand to hold. God always brings people into our life to be that extended help, that extended hand to help us in times of need. So chances are right now there's hands extended towards you. Reach out and grab them. God bless you. It's going to be an amazing Monday.